Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can monetize your Instagram Reels. So there will be a couple of prerequisites you need to fulfill first. First off, you will have to comply with the partner monetization policies, which I will show on the screen now. You will also have to meet the Instagram community guidelines and content monetization policies. You can read that on Instagram's own website. You'll have to have at least 10,000 followers as well on your professional Instagram account. You need to be at least 18 years as well, and you'll have to agree to the terms of use. Now I'm going to show you how you can switch to a professional Instagram account if you already have all of these prerequisites filled, okay? So from your Instagram here, go to your profile down here, and then you want to switch to the top bar up here on the three bars. And then on the three bars here, you want to scroll down, and then you want to go to account types, right? So account types and tools here, and then you need to switch to a professional account. So switch to a professional account, click on next. You can see one of it is get paid and run ads. So you will need to have a professional account to monetize your reels. Click on next and then give your description. I'm going to be an artist. Switch to professional account. And then it's either a creator or a business, right? Pick whichever one suits you the best. I'm going to do creator. Click on continue. If it's not you, just click on not now. And then you can see set up your professional account. You'll have to set up all of these. So get inspired, get meta verified, grow your audience, introduce yourself, tell us your goals, and learn about how ads works. But this is the basics of it. Now your account is a professional account. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.